This is a congratulation video for Pixelverse players. By only playing for so little time, if you could get to level 10 in Pixelverse, you can now withdraw coins up to $500. This is crazy. But wait a minute, is this what you should really do? Well guys, buckle up. Because in today's video we are going to talk about everything that just happened yesterday, and what you should do next. Oh, and by the way, let me say it from the start. If you can't withdraw your coins right now, don't worry. According to the team, you'll be able to do so until the 25th of the month, so just check every few hours. Now, let's start with the video. Welcome to Pixelverse, the next big thing in the world of decentralized gaming and virtual reality. If you haven't heard about Pixelverse yet, it's time to get excited. Today we're diving into the latest updates and why Pixelverse is capturing the attention of the crypto community worldwide. First off, let's talk about the Pixelverse Airdrop. This airdrop has been one of the most anticipated events in the blockchain gaming space. For those who participated, you're in for a treat. Pixelverse has always aimed to reward its early supporters and community members, and this airdrop is a testament to that commitment. If you've managed to reach level 10 in Pixelverse, congratulations. Not only does this mean you've been actively engaging with the platform, but it also unlocks a significant reward. You can now withdraw tokens worth up to $500. Yes, you heard that right? $500. This is a huge incentive for players to level up and stay active within the Pixelverse ecosystem. It's not just about gaming. It's about being part of a growing, thriving community. So how do you reach level 10? It's all about participation. Engage in quests, complete missions, interact with other players, and contribute to the Pixelverse. The more you play, the more experience points you earn, bringing you closer to that coveted level 10 status. And once you're there, that $500 token withdrawal is just the beginning of your journey in Pixelverse. But the airdrop is already gone, and even if you reach level 10 soon, I'm pretty sure you are not going to get those tokes. This is why I want to shift our focus to the PixFi token. The explosion of PixFi has been nothing short of remarkable. In less than a day, we've seen a significant surge in its value, and there are several reasons behind this growth. First, the utility of the PixFi token within the Pixelverse ecosystem is extensive. It's not just a digital currency, it's the backbone of all transactions within the metaverse. Whether you're buying virtual real estate, upgrading your avatar, or purchasing in-game items, PixFi is the key to unlocking all these features. This intrinsic value has driven demand, pushing the token's price upwards. Second, the team behind Pixelverse has been consistently delivering on their promises. From regular updates to new features and enhancements, the development team is committed to ensuring that Pixelverse remains a cutting-edge platform. This reliability and transparency have boosted investor confidence in PixFi, leading to its recent price surge. Third, the strategic partnerships and collaborations that Pixelverse has forged are playing a crucial role. By aligning with other prominent projects and influencers in the crypto and gaming space, Pixelverse is expanding its reach and user base. These partnerships are not just about marketing, they're about creating a robust, interconnected ecosystem that benefits everyone involved. Now, of course, this is not a financial advice, but I really think that you should not sell your coins and hold them for now, because I really see this project's exploding. I will dedicate a full video just for this. But for now, let me tell you just a bit what makes PixFi a long-term hold. There are a few key factors to consider. Firstly, the continued development and expansion of the Pixelverse platform mean that the utility and demand for PixFi will only increase over time. As more players join and more features are introduced, the need for PixFi within the ecosystem will grow, driving its value even higher. Secondly, the limited supply of PixFi tokens ensures scarcity, which is a fundamental principle in the world of cryptocurrency. As demand increases and the supply remains limited, the value of each PixFi token is likely to rise. This makes it an attractive long-term investment for those who believe in the future of Pixelverse. Thirdly, the vibrant and active community behind Pixelverse is a significant strength. A strong community not only supports the platform, but also drives its growth and success. The engagement and loyalty of Pixelverse players and investors create a positive feedback loop, where success begets more success. Lastly, the vision of Pixelverse aligns with the broader trends in the metaverse and blockchain gaming sectors. As these industries continue to grow and evolve, platforms like Pixelverse are positioned to be at the forefront of this revolution. Investing in PixFi is essentially investing in the future of digital experiences and virtual realities. In conclusion, Pixelverse is not just another gaming platform. It's a revolutionary ecosystem that blends gaming, blockchain, and virtual reality into one seamless experience. The recent airdrop and the ability for level 10 players to withdraw up to $500 worth of tokens highlight the platform's commitment to rewarding its community. Meanwhile, the explosion of the PixFi token and its potential as a long-term hold make it an exciting opportunity for investors. Stay tuned for more updates and developments from Pixelverse. The journey is just beginning, and the future looks incredibly bright. Whether you're a gamer, an investor, or simply a fan of innovative technology, Pixelverse has something for you. Join us in this exciting adventure, and let's build the future of the metaverse together.